Hello everyone, my name is Awaista Anwar and today I'm here with a new video in which I'll tell you about pollution. Class 5 English Language. Now before I start the video, I'd like all of you to subscribe our channel, like this video and also share it with your friends and family. So let's start. What is pollution? Pollution. The addition of harmful substances to the environment is called pollution. There are three types of pollution. Number 1, water pollution. Number 2, air pollution. And number 3, land pollution. Water pollution. Causes of water pollution. A lot of water pollution comes from human activity. Untreated water from sewage and factories contain many toxic chemicals that pollute lakes and rivers. Throwing garbage into water also contributes to water pollution. Effects of water pollution. Human and animal life at risk due to drinking polluted water. Marine pollution can also affect humans. When humans eat affected seafood, they also take toxic materials inside them. Swimming in polluted water can damage skin and spread diseases. Diseases of water pollution. Polluted water can cause cholera, diarrhea, and typhoid. I repeat, cholera, diarrhea, and typhoid. Land pollution. Causes of land pollution. Various human activities cause land pollution. Improper disposal of industrial chemicals, use of pesticides, and throwing rubbish in the open are some causes of land pollution. The dumping of toxic waste on a large scale also causes land pollution. Effects of land pollution. Landfills nourish harmful organisms such as germs, flies, cockroaches, etc. Plants get affected by absorbing harmful pollutants present in the soil. When the affected plants are eaten by human and different animals, the toxic chemicals damage the organs in their body. Diseases of land pollution. Land pollution causes cancer, skin problems, and brain damage. I repeat, cancer, skin problems, and brain damage. Air pollution. Causes of air pollution. The major causes of air pollution are the use of aerosol sprays, burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas, and from traffic and factories. Effects of air pollution. Greenhouse gases are produced which cause global warming. CFCs damage the ozone layer. Diseases of air pollution. Asthma, bronchitis, and lung cancer are the most common breathing disorders caused due to air pollution. I repeat, asthma, bronchitis, and lung cancer. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends and family. And also make sure to like our Facebook page. Allah Hafiz.